Goal 13 of the Sustainable Development Goals is the goal of mitigating and reducing the effects of climate change. Climate change has had a large impact on our global society due to industrialization, which has created much more pollution that has detrimental effects. Climate change must be prevented since it has already had massive impacts, such as raising the global temperature by 0.85 degrees Celsius, increasing carbon dioxide emissions by 50%, and raising the sea levels by 19 centimeters. Climate change is expected to occur at a much faster rate than ever, which has created a list of global problems. Sea levels are expected to rise 40 to 60 more centimeters by 2100. The rise in average global temperature has decreased grain yields worldwide by about 5% for every 1 degree of temperature rise. The amount of Arctic sea ice has shrunk by 1.07 million square kilometers per decade. This causes fragile natural ecosystems all around the world to be disrupted or destroyed. With the rise in sea levels and decreased grain yields, climate change hurts the world's poorer countries and their goals to achieve development.
The targets of the goal include strengthening resilience and adaptive capacity to climate-related hazards and natural disasters in all countries. Also, all countries should implement climate change measures into national policy, as well as raise awareness and educate others about climate change's impact and how to prevent it. In addition to this, the United Nations should help lesser developed countries and developing island countries to develop a means to plan for the negative effects of climate change. The United Nations are also trying to mobilize $100 billion by 2020 to the developing countries to help combat climate change. You can help the cause on a local level by raising awareness to others about the dangers of climate change. You can also donate to an organization that intends to use the donations to help climate change.